Hi, my name is Chris Anderson. I love Sedona Real Estate, eXp Realty, and we are live at 215 Birch Boulevard in West Sedona. So I am recording this call and this live video and this live open house. And just a couple things we're going to do is we're going to start by talking a little bit about this unbelievable cool house in West Sedona. So it is 1956 for the bungalow itself, which is the main house, which has 2 bedrooms plus an office. We'll see that. And then we'll see the detached guest casita that for the last 5 years has been a successful short-term rental at $80 per night. So perfect house if you want to live in the main house, rent out the back house, you want maybe extended family, they want to stay in the guest house, friends coming to visit, but a true sanctuary on a 1/4 acre. So let's take a look at the house from a video. So here's the outside of 215 Birch Boulevard in West Sedona, which is minutes from Whole Foods and all the action of West Sedona. We're heading into the 1956 bungalow that has 1,550 square feet. As you can see, this is the living room with the awesome, cool, modern light fixtures. The owner's an artist, so this is her artwork over the fireplace. You can see this is a spacious living room set up for TV, concrete counters, and stainless steel on the cabinets, gas cooking, of course, stainless side-by-side refrigerator. You can also see the setup for the pantry. And here's the dining room with the eclectic chandelier with French doors going out to an amazing covered patio. You open up the door and you'll actually see to the south of the dining room doors that go into the office. This is the guest bedroom with built-in shelves and a walk-in closet. Other angle of the guest bedroom. This is the master bath, really cool. You can see all the mosaic tiles, the glass sink. I just feel really excited when I walk into the master bedroom. TV's all hooked up. Welcome to your new home. That's a chalkboard. You open that up and there's another closet. And this is the office I was talking to you, south of the dining room going into the bathroom, which is a 3/4 bath with Bosch washer and dryer. Outdoor patio, of course, for outdoor sitting. This is like a Garden of Eden backyard. Multiple patios, green grass, sycamore trees, bamboo, open patio, cover patio, and just great views of Thunder Mountain to the north. Storage sheds. This is the actual guest casita, the one that rents for $80 a month. As you go inside, you've got all of this furniture would stay. The 4 roses on the wall would stay in terms of art. The rest of the art would go, but all set up as a great little efficiency with a cute 3/4 bath, as you can see. Hand-painted sink. And now we're back to the awesome backyard, which can't be beat. It's all fenced. All right, so that's what we have in terms of 215 Birch as a video, so you get the good feel, and you can see behind my background, this is the actual backyard at Birch, and you can see it's fully fenced for your furry loved ones. Now I'm going to take you to a couple of the pictures because you can't see everything, so I thought I'd share a couple of the great photos of the property that you don't see, which is this awesome garage. This is the detached garage, but you can see there's plenty of storage space. And I love to show off a couple things. You can see here, there's storage, more storage here, storage. Now, if I want to go and take you out of the screen, I can show you a couple other great things on this property that you might not know if you were there. So I'm going to load up a couple photos so you can see the sheds. And I'm doing this so you don't miss a beat on anything. So here's the sheds. There's actually 3 sheds, super spacious, a lot of storage as you can see. And once again, this is the side yard that goes in from the gate. So to the right where you see the big painting, that's the actual south side of the garage wall. So I would take this entrance, if it was my extended family, or maybe I'm renting it out, the little guest casita, and you can see the field. There's the garage again, and there's one of the storage sheds where my cursor is. And there's the other storage shed. So lots of space on this property. So one can store as much as they'd like. And I just love the raised gardens, love the green grass. It's hard to find in Sedona a property that's fenced with grass. So when you come here, your blood pressure automatically comes down. Now, the big thing to know on this property is the price. This is a wonderful place to hang out with friends, have parties. You know, perhaps you're watching the dog run the yard, or maybe you want the privacy for family and kids. It's awesome. Or if you just, it's just you and your husband, or you know, your significant other, just to hang out on this back porch, drink a glass of wine, take in the views of Thunder Mountain. Notice the sycamores this time of year are not full. So in the springtime at the end of May, these trees will be completely full. Just highlighting this backyard because I consider this the Garden of Eden, and there you can see there's Thunder Mountain. So just an outstanding bungalow and casita. It's priced at $525,000, and it is an outstanding opportunity for someone. So I'm Chris Anderson. Check out our website, ilovesedonarealestate.com, and thanks for attending this virtual open house for 215 Birch Boulevard in West Sedona. Make it a great day.